Yeah,
okay. Yeah, yeah, coach. End of the camp, talk to us overall about your assessment.
Well, I tell you what, it's one of the better camps we've had. This camp, the Colorado camp last year, this time, the best camp we've had. And enthusiasm and commitment was evident from day one. That might be because of the FIFA incentive, but I hope that's not the reason. I think everybody wants to go and show work. But I thought it was a very, very good camp. A lot of younger players out here, we invite them in, some of the U20s. I think they did well for themselves, so I was very pleased.
You will have come into the camp with certain goals, certain objectives. Were they all met?
Yes, we wanted to get games, but during this time here, it didn't happen. But our main objective again was to get ourselves down to 23. So we have to go back now as coaches and evaluate, which is difficult. That somebody will be left behind.
Wanted to ask you about that. We know you have until July 10 to name your final 23, but are you leaning towards naming it earlier than that?
Well, we have to, because we have our main camp in Amsterdam. So we leave July 1st, so we have to get tickets. So we open by June 25th. We can come up with 23 players. We want to carry 24 in case. So we have 24 players, and just we head to Amsterdam and do what we think should be our best camp. It's our first-class facilities, and now we're pushing out.
I noticed today your top striker, one of the world's premier striker, wasn't on the bench, didn't train, didn't play. Any concern, or everything is okay?
Everything is okay, no concern.
Yes, coach, we all know of the letter from the girls the other day. And our team's working out with the federation as we move forward.
Well, that's it. It's the girls' opinion, and hopefully we can get back to football, because I don't think anybody out here is concerned about that. They're just concerned about playing, focus on the work. That's our job right now, just to focus on the work.
Was it a distraction?
Absolutely no.
Another one from me, coach. You had said, I know you have the game against Morocco, but have you tied up another friend?
We tried right now to actually, we have go back and forth with Australia for a little bit, and trying to figure how we can tie something up, type of game in Holland. So we're still looking.
That's it for me. Anybody else?
Just a little elaborate, as you know, the distraction you mentioned earlier has been something that has been constant.
No, it's no distraction. No, it's absolutely no distraction. I think the girls are committed. The focus is there, and we're moving along. There's no distraction. All right, thanks. All right.